everyone. In this equation, allow me to introduce myself. My full name is Tita Pidayati and my nickname Tita. I'm originally from Lombok, Pringasela village. Pin needle. A pin needle is a small metal tool with a sharp tip and a round head at the top. The head of the needle is usually made of plastic or small corrugate glass, making it easy to see and safe to use. Pin needles are commonly used to secure and tie the fabric, especially when wearing a hijab, to keep it neat and prevent from shifting. I like pin needles because they are simple yet very useful. They help keep the hijab in right position and make the overall appearance look neater. In addition, their attractive color make them easy to find and add a touch of beauty when used. For me, a pin needle is a small practical tool that is always helpful when wearing a hijab.